You are welcome to our video tutorial. In this video, we'll explain you the project Multi-Language Dictionary. In this video, we'll show you how this project works, what are the things are there in admin side, what are the things are in client side, how to enter the data, and how the user can view all the data. So particularly for every English word, what is the corresponding word in that particular language? For example, if you take a mother in English and you want to know what is in Kannada, language. So that is Thai. So same way, for a different words, what is the corresponding word? Then how to use that word as in a sentence, all we'll learn in this video. So this video is basically to give an idea how we can make this project in Python. So it's basically a Python web application project. So I'll show you the complete project step by step. So please continue watching. So this video basically for CS students who are doing course in BE, BCA, BSc, BTech or Diploma or any course, or you are learning Python and you want to do a project in Python, and you already know if you are doing any of these courses, it's compulsory for you to do on small project or major project. So in those cases you need to have a title, okay, so kind of different title. In that way this particular title will help you, that is it's totally a different title than the regular one, so therefore we can do the project in this, may help you. First let us understand how the web application works. So in case of web applications, we supposed to have a server. Here is server and here is the browser. So for example, you can use Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Like that you can use the browser. And when you type the address via internet, it will go to server. From that you will bring the details to this browser. For example, when you are searching in Google, so that is google.com. So any word you search, you want to know about computer, when you say search computer, so this will take to the server. So here will check for the computer, it will take the list and then it will bring back to your server, sorry, your browser. So this is the logic. Here in case of Python, so and also is a mini project, a small project, so we don't need to maintain different server and client and all. We'll use the same system as a both server and client. So this system will work as both server and client. So how to make both server and client? So in order to make it server, you require a server software. In order to make a client, any of the browser is already there, therefore it's being as a client. So server is concerned, so in order to run the Python project, so you need to install Python in the system, then you have to install XAMPP server, so then you require MySQL as a backend. So these are the requirements. So this all software has to be installed into this system, then it acting as a server. So how to install XAMPP server, how to install Python and how to configure, everything is explained in this project. So please watch this project, Banking Python Web Application project. So here we explain almost a very basic steps and also the basic code, Python code. Therefore we suggest you please watch this video, therefore you'll understand how the whole concept works. So this video you can find in our YouTube channel. So just start your YouTube in a browser or in your mobile phone and then search for Highblix tutorials. So you'll get Highblix tutorials here. Then click on videos and you can please subscribe here. There is a subscribe button. So please subscribe to our channel. And then if you browse down, so you can see that here is the video. So this you watch first. Therefore you'll get a complete idea how to configure the basics. Okay, and also you can see that here is how to install XAMPP. Here is how to install Python and lot more videos here. So when you are free, please browse all the videos and definitely you like one or the other video. Check out that video. And also to gain an experience, you should know how to make the projects and you have to try yourself. So therefore check out in which language you are interested and do some projects. Therefore you can gain the knowledge and it definitely help you for your jobs. So if you watch the banking video, then you'll understand like how to create all the tables and all. So this we already created here. We are not take much time here. So because it's movie database, these are the tables, and dictionary database here is that here are the tables for this project. So these are the tables which are going to use. So all are created. So here is the table structure. So we are using dictionary database. Then your admin login table. Then your customer detail table. There is one more country table. So this is the language table. Then English words. We can keep all the English words in this English tab. So all the dictionary words in English will be stored into this particular table. And here is another other language tab, so our table. So it means for every English word we need to enter all the data into this particular table. And there is also one FAQ table. So these are the tables which are using in the this project. So all are created over here. So it is done. This part is completed. Now I'll show you the project for you. So again, I'll not go to the login page and all. I'll straight away come to admin main, and also I can come to customer main because all these are explained already. Therefore, please watch that video. And also if you're looking for some synopsis and all, so you can come to our website highblix.com. So you can see the Python projects. So a huge collection of project titles, and also you can able to see the abstract or synopsis, so that you can copy and you can make a synopsis here. Fine. So for any project, so please come here and then check out the synopsis. You get the synopsis. So I'll come back to multi-language dictionary. So this is the admin part and this is the client part. So in admin, we have provided option called the country details, language detail, English word, then other language entry, and the corresponding list here. So country, so for example, let's say US, United States. Right. So if you go to list, you'll show the list here. It's not showing, something wrong. Okay, let me rectify. Okay, so here is the Python code. So first you need to import the file. So where is your python.exe file? Then this is the content text HTML, and this is the MySQL connector, and this is the connection. And we need to select country name. Here you have to give comma details. So both the columns you want to select from country tab, order by country name. Then you need to execute this. So then here is the admin main, the link, and here is the table, border is equal to 1, width 40%, and here on the table picture on the top you want to show the picture here. Fine. So here is the cursor, and we are reading each row record and we want to display it on the screen. Right. So now I'll just come back to this and I'll refresh this. So you can see that country list, country name, India, US both are there. Right. Next is the language details. So we already entered few languages here. So I'll show you the list. So here is English entered and Kannada is entered. So Kannada language you want to show some words there. Then English word entry, if you go to list, so there is one mother is already entered. Now I'll enter one more word. So let's say dog. So dog is a pet animal. Okay. So about the dog word we need to write. So I think it's a sentence. Okay, I'll put just dog over there. So here is the dog is a pet animal. So let's make a sentence. So save this. So if I go to list, I can see all the words here. So next is other language entry. Now we have a word dog here. So now in other language what it's called. So in Kannada we want to change. So therefore in Kannada language what it is called. So I don't have Kannada typewriter here. So what I'll do is I'll just go to Google. I'll just type dog here. So here we have the word that is nai. Right, it becomes nai. So about details, I'll just go back to this again. Okay, some details I'll copy from this. Right, so example sentences. Okay, so about dog we need to write some examples. So I'll write dog is a pet animal. will take care our house. Fine. So it may get two such statements here. I'll just copy these both the statements. I'll come here and I'll paste. I'll submit. So in the admin side, we need to enter all these things, and admin can see that how many people are joined our site. So here they can able to see this one. Now from the admin side, I can log in. After login, I go to English word list. So there are 2 words entered. So we can keep on watch more words. Other language. So now I want to search for dog. So what is dog called in the Kannada language? So when I search this, so it will show you that Kannada, its dog is Nai, and then some examples also is provided over there. So here is a mother, it's called as Thai. So corresponding sentence. So therefore, it's a multi-language dictionary to show the words in what it called as in another language, then how to pronounce it. So there is also a FAQ entry. We can any common questions we can enter here. So at user like no customer side, they can able to see the FAQs. So these are things which is provided in this project. There are a lot of scope to improve this project. So please try up to this. I think if it is successful, then you can try to add up more things to it. Fine, I think it will help to understand like how to make a multi-language dictionary. If you have any query or any doubts, please write it in the comment box. And also please subscribe to our channel. After watching the video, in the comment box, please write what you are feeling, or if you have any doubts or you want to ask some questions, please ask us. We try to help it out. And if it's a common or broad question, we'll try to add up in the next videos.